Hello, Harvey. Good. Oh, are you going in? Oh, I'm coming out. Good morning, chickens. You got breakfast for me this morning? Do you have some breakfast for me? How's my trap doing? We got a big old mouse trying to get into the food bins. So I got a big old trap and put the peanut butter on the bottom. It doesn't seem to be wanting it. Or maybe it's smart enough to know better. Now we're gonna go check what's in the car. Apparently Holly said she's not getting in it until it's gone 3 days without finding a mouse. Which, yesterday we found a mouse. The day before we found a mouse. Let's see what today holds. Look at there. No mouse. No mouse. No mouse. Yeah, I think we got him. Did we get the mouses, Harvey? Did we get them? What'd you find, Harvey? What'd you find? Did you get it? It's over here. It's over here. It's the dumbest dog. Dumbest dog ever. Worse than a cat. We had a cat. At least it caught mice. A little bit of work to do today before we have some family come over. My cousin saw my nifty little steel chainsaw sharpener. She thought it was a great idea for me to sharpen her chainsaw. She dropped it off the other day. I told her I'd have it done yesterday afternoon, and she needs it today. I didn't do it. So I gotta do that this morning before she shows up needing her chainsaw again. Enough wasting time, Harvey. We gotta get some work done, okay? Get this chainsaw sharpened. Everything just gets thrown in here, doesn't it? Alright. Got a great deal with my dad right now. He brings me full cans of gas, and I give him empty cans of gas. Not sure what's in it for him at the moment, but it's working for me. It's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Yeah, good. So this is my little sharpener, and my uncle actually got this for me. But I must say, it makes sharpening a chain so much easier. It sharpens the tooth and the raker there at the same time. Keeps the same balance for everything. Gives a nice little guide. It's like everything all in one little package. You just follow the arrows. Makes anybody look like a professional. Just run Alright, let's go test it on something. Alright, well, I'm sure she'll be happy with that. Better than it was. Well, that takes care of that. We've got a lot of family that's coming over this afternoon. Well, not a lot. Holly's parents and her sister are coming over this afternoon. We'll do a little cookout and have some fun. First time since the states reopened that her parents have made it over here. So she's got a lot of work for me to do. Get things ready. I gotta go pick up some propane. This grill's not working. But it'll be a good day for it. We'll have some fun. All right, see you.